With the twists and turns in the Karen Reed case, with the judge now denying a motion by her defense team. Reed's attorneys wanted 2 serious charges dismissed before the retrial next year. Hello again, everybody. I'm Gene Valicenti.
And I'm Emily Bowles. Patrice is off tonight. This is the latest chapter in the high-profile Massachusetts murder case. NBC 10's Kennedy Buck is outside the courthouse in Dedham to tell us what is next for both sides. Kennedy?
Yeah, Gene, Emily, Karen Reed's defense attorneys asked the judge to dismiss the charges of second-degree murder and leaving the scene after jurors revealed that they would have found her not guilty on those 2 charges. Karen Reed is headed back to court next year facing the same 3 charges that hung up the jury during the first trial. The Bristol County woman is accused of backing over her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe. Back in July, jurors could not come to a unanimous decision leading to a mistrial. But recently it's been revealed the jurors agreed that Reed was not guilty on 2 of the 3 charges.
They must have found her not guilty on the murder, but were deadlocked on what we call the lesser included offense of manslaughter. They could have come back with that. If they found her not guilty on the murder, then jeopardy does attach and she cannot be retried for it.
But the motion to have these 2 charges dismissed for the retrial has been denied, a decision that experts predict will come with some changes.
When you have these jurors come forward and say, hey, actually, we decided, one way cleanly or another, it kind of puts a damper on the prosecution's theory on those 2 charges, which from the beginning, many legal experts and people from the community said that it wasn't properly charged.
Now the question is, could a plea deal be presented after the discovery of this new information?
If I had this case, and I knew that there was some evidence out there that these jurors were going to come back not guilty on murder, I would definitely make an offer. The question is whether or not the defense would take it.
And Karen Reed's retrial is scheduled for January 27th. For now, in Dedham, Kennedy Buck, NBC 10 News.